little bit of a cold going here, but really challenging day as well. Last 2 days, let's look on the NASDAQ. You see the market came back to these levels 3 times. We talked about how it came to the last Thursday's level. And then Friday, we said it should go lower. It gapped down, but it closed higher. The NASDAQ closed higher than the open. And then today, see, it was propped up. It keeps getting propped up, and so it's propped up. So today, it gapped down. It's propped up. The day session is propped up. This looks like a narrow range chop. These are really wide point value chops. Very hard to trade this. Market feels broken to me. It's not able to distribute normally for it to do this this frequently. You expect chop in your trading, but to do this, to always end up resolving higher at the end of chop or being propped up every single day is just it's extreme. And so negative 2,000 on the advanced decline line, and the market closes higher than it opened. So all the selling was overnight. No real trend opportunities during the day. And on a smaller scale, it looks like it, and then with certain setups, it looks like it. But at the end of the day, you can see in the entire extreme amount of chop, all the bulls feel entitled to a Santa Claus rally, and so they're coming in here buying, and just extremely difficult to trade this market. One of our worst days we've had in a while, and so down $7,700 on the 200K portfolio and down $3,800 on the 50K portfolio. We have drawdown alerts here, and so let's go over the trades on the day. I'm going to show you where we are on the portfolio calculator. So we're right here at the $20,000 drawdown level with that $7,700 down day. So right at $20,000 drawdown out of 26. If you're waiting to get in, good time to get in. And we should have a trend. It'll probably end up being a trend higher, which can generate some good gains. There are no trends. When the market tries to go down, there are no trends, just massive chop. Unusual for the market to be that way. There's usually some more trendy down days as well. 50K portfolio, let's take a look here at that. We are in a $8,300 drawdown, so really good entry point for that. $2,000 away from max drawdown, so just really tough trading. Go over the 50K portfolio trades. Here you see crude oil made a huge trend down and then a V reversal. Cobra Crude got short late into the reversal, and then SR counter trend 3 gold. We held that over the weekend. Came down here and stopped us out, and then we had gap continuation in reverse, which seems to be the biggest dog in our portfolio. You just see this curl up. You know, it makes it slow at 11:30. Europe closes 10:30 Central, 11:30 Eastern. It's not like Europe is the reason we're selling. That's an old pattern that still persists. Hey, Europe's closed, let's buy it now. That used to be the case when there was bad news out of Europe, and it's not really the case now, but it can still be a pattern in the market. Cobra 3, just you see that massive range in this in these bars, just constant overlap. You can see that in the 1-minute bars as well. Let's look at the market internals. You see all this, over a 1,000 point moves, over 1,000 points. There's about 10 1,000 point moves right in here real quick. And so let's look at the 200K portfolio. Gap continuation reverse, same trade. Tick wave, just couldn't get the short trade going. We'll probably have a turnaround Tuesday now. It'll probably be a strong rally tomorrow. Cobra 3 up on the day, actually got the profit on the day, plus 575. 60-minute breakout short, all this downtrend, this entire downtrend. 60-minute breakout short is a net loser because of the extreme chop. Night trader VSD, the base version has been winning. We finally get a VSD version. It stopped out minus 1525 on the day. After hours down on the day as well, down about minus 1400 on the day. And our NASDAQ trades, Cobra 3 stopped out here. Gap continuation stopped out. Just impossible. Just makes it impossible to short this market at all ever. And not normal for a market to be impossible to short every day. Cobra Crude, aggressive and conservative, both lost. Minus 725. Natural gas, no trades. Gold, minus 825 on this stop loss. We had some of that loss on Friday, so some of the loss today. And gold reversal, capturing a short trade on the day. So actually overall, on the day, gold is actually up on the day when you sum up gold reversal and SR counter trend 3. And silver, no trades. Copper was up on the day as well, plus 37.25. Actually plus 1,200 on 3 contracts, minus about 800 on 3 on copper breakout home run, and then plus about 100 on this one. So up a little bit on the day on copper breakout. Soybeans got short and they ran our stop, and then it just chopped the rest of the day. So just right here as well, just feels like a lot of our trades, that the market is just fighting against a lot of our trades, especially the short side. Very tough to trade. Again, drawdown alerts, very tough. We experienced this. Back in the Q4 of last year. You can take a look. It was down. This is the 50K portfolio. It was down here in December of 2020 of last year, and just overall, a lot of the portfolios had a tough time the last 4 or 5 months of the year. Thought it was a one-off year, and it's coming back again this year. The beginning of the year has been very strong. You see that in some of the bigger portfolios like the 200K portfolio. So I'm optimistic about, if you look at the 200K portfolio since 2014, there's only one losing month in February of 2019. And if you look at it since 2017, there's only one losing month, January through April. So can be good gains at the beginning of the month. At the end of the year, there can be some major chop. We saw that last year. Now we're seeing it again this year. And the stock indexes, which have led the way in our most recent run-up, have also struggled. You see the stock index portfolio down 12,787. This is as of Friday. And so we'll have updated results for today's trade that will take us to an even greater drawdown in a lot of these portfolios. So tough trading day. Looking for a trend tomorrow on a turnaround Tuesday as the market, the liquidity just comes in and chops up and props up any selling and tries to turn it around. It's an entitled bull market with the Fed at its back. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.